Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials so the fix will work. Sign into your Apple ID on Applid. Apple. Com to verify credentials and account status. Once done, make sure device date, time, and time zone are set automatically. Mismatches block certificate checks. Also verify your network. Switch between Wi-Fi and cellular or use a known good hotspot. Finally, update iOS or Mac OS to the latest release. Outdated system files often prevent iCloud creation and updates from completing. Once prerequisites are set, you move into resets and network fixes. Sign out of iCloud on the device, then restart. It clears transient auth tokens and cache. If that fails, reset network settings to clear corrupt routes. Alternatively, toggle VPN, private DNS, or switch to DNS like 8 temporarily. Check Apple system status for iCloud outages and remove any device management profiles or restrictions that block account creation. These steps resolve most mid-process failures. To finish, try creating the iCloud account again after the reboot and network fixes. Enter your Apple ID and approve two-factor authentication prompts promptly. If the device still fails, create the account on another trusted Apple device or at iCloud.com, then sign in on the problem device. This often bypasses device-specific errors. If none of this works, collect timestamps, error messages, and console logs if possible, and contact Apple support so they can trace server-side or account issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.